Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project board in GitHub. To create a project board, go to your repository and click the Projects tab or the Projects option in the top navigation. Click New Project, and you're going straight toward a new dashboard, and you're presented with the various templates. For classic boards, choose a template like Kanban or automated cards. Give your project a name by pressing the title here at the top left. In here, you can add in an optional description and even a README attached to it. You can now add columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Then start adding cards for your tasks, issues, or pull requests. But this depends on how your project is structured. You should just do anything related to those tasks that work best with your system or job. GitHub will sync card status with issues automatically if configured. This is perfect for visualizing work, managing tasks, and coordinating with your team, especially for agile or sprint-based workflows. And you're not stuck at a simple interface where you can easily get lost if you don't know what you're doing. And this is how to create a project board in GitHub.